I guess it's time to see if my microphone works. And yes, it does. Wow. Also, wow, is my resolution bad? Um, what is wrong with the network today? Or more YouTube, I guess. Huh. Okay. If anybody's around, let me know and say hi. And let's do some stuff. Hello, everybody. My name is Bigfoot, and today we're gonna be doing another stream. So let's begin, shall we? And I can get rid of these headphones. I'll be doing another programming stream. I'm going to be making... Actually, I won't be programming. That's a wrong title. Yay, good job, me. There we go. Stream title updated. Let me know if things are lagging, because that would be bad. Okay, so let's begin, shall we? So what we'll be doing is I'll be making different images for different languages for my dev environment or dev environments, and this will be like good images, I think. So I'm gonna first make a couple of folders, so enjoy my desktop. Not updated for 2 months. So this is what we're looking at. So here we're gonna make a bunch of images. So let me just do a bit of a swapperoonie here. We're gonna be doing a bit of okay, my VS Code doesn't like me today. neither VS Code or VS Code Insiders. So I guess we're gonna have to pull one out of our good side. Any ideas? I do have some, but I wanna see if you guys have any ideas. If you have no ideas, I'm gonna show you mine. In just a second. Here we go. You're probably looking at me, what's that? But there is one difference right here. VS Code for web. Yes, this is VS Code for web, as this is a web page. So I have to do a change of settings called theme, because I like another theme much more. This one. And let's begin, shall we? This means terminal are out of the question. So we're gonna run terminal. And we're gonna base it on, I don't know which. We need to choose a base image. Let's look at the base image options we have. Packages. At this point, these are our options: Ubuntu, Rocky Linux, OpenSUSE, Arch, Debian, Alma, Fedora, and Alpine. So, which of these options should we choose? We could actually go with all of them at the end of the day, but let's not go crazy. But we could write a script that does this. Or a program, or a Python script, really. The amazing thing about this will be, was going to be one of my images, one of my base images. Let's go. Let's start, since my normal start is normally either Fedora or Ubuntu. Let's do Ubuntu. Or let's do Fedora, or what should we do? If you have a recommendation, let me know in the chat section. I believe it there. And I'll take a moment to decide. Still taking a moment to decide. Still taking a moment to decide. So I think I'm gonna decide to do either Ubuntu or Fedora, and because it's me, I think I'm gonna do Ubuntu. We're enjoying VS Code dev for together. Quick transition. Hmm. Interesting. Okay, if that won't work, I have a backup plan. I just have to find my USB. And I have to mute myself for a moment. Hello, Sprinkle C and Bell. If either of you I said the name wrong, please let me know. And sorry for a bit of dead air. I didn't notice I was muted. And I guess I have to be muted again because I was finally able to log in into one of my things. Yay, and sorry for the dead air a bit. I was trying to get myself logged in into stuff because I was logged out of everything, apparently. Yay. Now I have to get the camera back. Yay. Hopefully you can hear me now, and soon you'll be able to, again to see me, I guess. So if you have any questions, comments, suggestions of any kind that you wanna just talk to me during the live show, at that side I believe, or that side is chat window, and you can talk at least on desktop. I don't know how it is on phones. You know, I'm a YouTuber. I should know this stuff. Oh, and look, hey, my horrible mug is back. This time with 100% more of the languages I need on the list. I just need to get to that list first. At least I logged into the right server. Here we go. So, we are looking at C++, C, .NET, Golang, JS, Python, and Rust as the main languages I do. I might want to do some other stuff as well, because maybe I want to learn something. But if you have any language I didn't mention that you think I should probably have a development environment for, again, that communication chatting works, I believe. Talk to me there. So I'm gonna start making some directories, folders, however you wanna call them. Rust is a pain on the ass to learn. I don't know it a lot either. I just know a little bit about it. In the meantime, I also have a question for you guys. If some of you know, I have an old phone I'm trying to turn into Linuxy. What are the ways I could turn it into a Linux? It's a Samsung device, so I think it's pretty capable. So let me know if there are ways I could turn it into a Linux, or at least more Linuxy than Android. Would love to run it like that. So let's begin, shall we? So we said we are doing C and C++. So basically it is the same build stack essentially, so why not have same thing? So we also want .NET. So that's C#, F#, probably stuff I forget. Golang, that's the only reason I know Golang is I used to have a job that needed me to know Golang. So JavaScript, I hate JavaScript. Don't tell anyone, but I really do hate it. Next on is Python. Python would be great if it wouldn't be so slow, but the problem is it is so slow. And then we have the almighty and all annoying to write Rust. Okay, Rust isn't actually that bad as they make it to be, but it is pretty annoying. There's some hooks you can get hit in really quickly, and then you get basically destroyed right away, and that's really annoying. Like one time, for example, I tried to have a basic web API server, so a REST server, really REST, but an API server that had get, put, push, get, patch, you know, the standard delete, get, whatever, and put, and I don't know, post, yeah. Get, post, put, and delete endpoints. And so it shows one library. Then, because, well, I was like, okay, let's see if, now I need to access another API. So how to do that? Oh, I know. I'm gonna add another library, and I just quickly Googled a good HTTP client in Rust. Or I think I did good HTTP client library in Rust. It gave me a library. Okay. I drop it in, I try to use it, nothing happens. I try a second library, nothing happens. Of course, I didn't copy it correctly because async was some async annotations or whatever they are called were completely different. So I skipped those thinking they're not important. They're just developer preference, and no, they're not. Then at the end, I found out the web API server I was using also had a HTTP client. Why, I don't know. So I, at the end, used that to so because I already had an async settings for that. It took me 2 days to figure that out. But for our stuff, Rust seems pretty okay. It isn't Ubuntu Touch compatible, which really saddened me. But yeah, routing. Yeah, I'm thinking of going routing way. My only problem with routing is the whole scene is, at least feels really sketchy. Websites don't, even the websites for the project themselves aren't all that put together. Like, they're not project websites like you would think in Linux world, where, so I always was really sketched out by routing my phone, and I only rooted in history one phone, and that one doesn't work anymore. Yeah, I want to try. I did load up, I think it's called Termax on that phone, just for fun, and that phone is already like completely wiped, so I don't have anything on that phone. It's an old phone, like previous phone that I had. but unlike previous phone, actually still works. I also have an old Samsung tablet. I may try to get working again. I have a lot of hardware projects and phone projects to do. If I can get my get my camera into the workshop properly to stand still, because my camera is my phone, I may do either a video live stream of me taking apart the tablet and getting it to work. Maybe. I don't know. I'm deciding still. But yeah, here we have some, here we have some directories. If you have any other recommendation for a language, let me know in chat. And yeah, I don't need desktop. I actually want just CLI for it, because I wanted to turn into not a Linux desktop or a Linux phone. I want it to just be a Linux device I can plug into my network and it be a Linux device. I can SSH in, or I can do all sorts of stuff with it. That's kind of the point I'm looking at for it, because I want to repurpose it, and for the device that I can carry around, have it logging into my phone's what it's called, hotspot, and be a server I can keep in my bag. That's kind of the point I want for this phone to be, like a server I can put in a bag and carry with me while walking around with my phone's hotspot. I know a weird idea to have, but well, it's me. I have weird ideas and weird goals. That's something I've been trying to do for a while, but never could. And just know what kind of things I want to deploy on it, or like put servers on it. Probably want to put stuff like what do I really want to put on it? Then carry around all the time. Well, one of the things I want to put on it is some sort of remote terminal environment, so I can just plonk into it and then I can access whatever I want from that remote terminal environment, because it's such a pain and I do not trust anything. Like I go out of my house with my phone, but then I need to SSH to something. Yeah, that's not happening really easily. That kind of thing I want to do. I have like that be a server for that, because I anyway have to have a website to do it. And yeah, why not? And local or as close to me as possible is probably the best thing I can get. That kind of thing I want to do with it. And maybe some basic file storage. I don't know. Just having fun with stuff like idiotic ideas. That's my thing. But let's return back to this, because you probably are just waiting for me to stop rambling about turning Android phone into Linux server for some reason. And let's go into serious stuff. So what we're gonna first need is a couple of container files. So container file, and I'm going to point it at a specific image. Here we go. And this is an Ubuntu image I created. It's on GHCR from GHCR. And now it's a base environment image. Technically it isn't directly needed. This is for DistroBox, and you will see why I want a DistroBox based image, for which then I'm actually better image would be the desktop one for what I'm trying to do actually. Let's see. Yeah, actually that might be a better idea, if I'm honest. Because I'm gonna try and put in here, or later on, off stream probably, I'm gonna probably put in some other tools as well. After I close source this whole thing. Because then that would be dissemination of proprietary and copyrighted software, and I don't want to do that. Because I'm gonna put proprietary IDEs in it. So first we're gonna install things for Ubuntu, for C and C++ based Ubuntu environment. So we're gonna go run apt update and apt upgrade -s, because update is to be done. Then we're gonna do run C. I think Ubuntu does chsh, I believe. Let's check it out. Yep. Podman run IT Ubuntu latest chsh. Yep. Because it's me, I always do chsh-s/bin fish. Has to be run fish-c exit. I don't remember why I need this, but I do remember I need it. Oh yeah, why? I have a little bit of a helper on my side from one I did a long time ago, which doesn't work really well anymore. That's why I'm doing new ones. This is the dir-env hook I'm using. That's why I also want this fish-c exit, because this gets generated then. Now, this will automatically run as a user root, and we don't want it to only run for user root. We want this to go into for other users, which I believe can be done, but I don't remember how. And I think I'm going to mostly be using it with root user anyway, because it's standard for me. Unless I'm doing it in DistroBox, by that point I'm going to already do some changes to it anyway, so I can figure it out later. But I think just simple run cp this into /etc/scale/ this should work properly. And this is now our skeleton for our container file. Now comes the hard part. Copy, paste, 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 paste. And we jump here. I think this one everything should be already in it. So, oh yeah. Am I genius? Run apt install -yast gcc and make. But now the hard one. .NET. I think .NET should now be easy as pie. .NET, not .NET, apt, update. Here. It should do update. And then we do install .NET. Let's go app search.net. Okay, yes, there are some things here. We want .NET SDK. Okay. .NET SDK install dash yes .NET SDK 7.0. Anyway, we soon be updating this image anyway because 8.0 will come out soon. Run apt install boom .NET SDK 7.0 dash yes. That will be soon be 8.0, so I'll have to enable that for myself. And I could actually load up an older version, which I'm actually gonna do. 6.0. Because sometimes you need 6.0 as well, and then I'm gonna just add 8.0 to it. That's simple. Now for Golang. Oh, Golang. From Ubuntu latest. Dear Golang, you're gonna make me mad. Apt update and apt upgrade. Run. And then I need to get it from internet because Ubuntu has a really old version. Golang. Golang. And I'm gonna take a drink right now while I look. And we have to find the right package, of course. So I'm gonna do that right now without showing it to you because no. And oh, did you guys see me drink? Great. Oh, hey, HipDad. I'm going to install with Vget run apt install and then Vget dash yes. How are you, HipDad? And I'm going to move all of this around a bit. So this goes right here. And I'm gonna explain why. Well, it's really simple. I'm trying to optimize a tiny bit layers. Oof. Ouch, HipDad. That sounds painful. Okay. Since we now get this file, really it's a tarball. Run tar dash. Okay, let me guess. I never remember how to untar files. Untar tar.gz. And first thing you get is how to do it in desktop. Not useful. XF. And we're gonna do this. And because we want to be extra great, we're gonna do -c, and I believe we need to do it while where do we need to do it? Slash. Okay, let's see. Slash user local. Boom. And apparently there says it should be XZF. So that it is. Oh, good that you stopped that. And now that we have that done, we're just gonna simply do run, or no, copy dash from as install from equals install slash, oh, I see what I did wrong. Yeah, I don't need that slash. No more slash go from slash go slash star to slash user local slash, and that's it. That's our Go install. Next one on our list is JavaScript. Oh, JavaScript. How do I not like you? And yeah, I'm gonna do a bit of Ubuntu packages, a bit of search on Ubuntu packages, because JavaScript, Node, JS, nothing, npm, really nothing, all suites. Oh, good. Node. Let's see which version they have in whatever. Node install Linux. Let's just make it go easier by going to where is it? Here. We have a no, I don't want to use node source. I wanna use Linux LT. Let's go with current for this one. No, targz Linux binaries. Boom. We're gonna copy them. So we have the link now. Same plan as before. And I'm literally going to the same plan as before by going like this. And then replace the link, the file name, and this is star.exe file. So at this point, I'd like to thank you guys for watching. Do all YouTuber things and say hit the like button. If you haven't yet, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and chat over there, I believe. I think so. Or maybe there. I don't know. And if you have any questions, comments, suggestions, or any other type of stuff, type in chat. And if you're watching this stream afterwards, comment section, I don't know where it is, down below, leave a comment, suggestion, maybe even just say hi. But no spam, please. Pretty please. Okay. Nice, keep that and bell. Now I have to figure out instructions for binary installation. There, perfect. Okay. We have to apparently create apparently do this. Let me see. So we're gonna change the C. This will be Node.js, and then when we copy here, we're gonna do run. Oh no, run. Copy. Dash from equals install, and from slash node.js slash star to slash user local lib slash node.js. And we don't need to do that, we need to just do this. Yeah. This should work. And then we need to do version. I need to do an environment variable, env. And I hate doing single env because it's ugly. Version equals v21.1.0, and then we do distro equals Linux x64. And this should be it. Great. Now with Golang I forgot to do one thing. I forgot to go Golang, and I have these two environment variables to set. This is where I normally mount my sources. Of course, if I use, let's say, what's called DistroBox, I wanted to set those sources to something else, because that's not how DistroBox does things. Or maybe it does. I don't know. You can do things with DistroBox, of course, so additional mounts is not a problem. I can do them. So this works just fine. And I think this is what we have with JS and Golang. Now we can go with Python. And Python should be pretty easy. If I knew the package names off of my cat. For Python 3, we're gonna be needing run, install, or apt install -yes Python 3 apt install -yes Python 3. That's it. Perfect. And that's about it for Python. Anything else I need to do for Python? No, not really. I could install multiple versions. For example, Python 2 something something. But that's deprecated, so no. And then what we're left with is Rust. And this is going to be another weird thing, I believe. Because again, I think Rust in apt install Rust. Not even a thing. Cargo. Okay. Apt install Rust up. No, install Rust Ubuntu. It wants to do Rust up. Okay. This is pretty annoying. And we're gonna try to do something specific. We're gonna try to do Rust apt install curl. Yes. And I'm gonna put a if I do this test.sh bash test.sh-h, yep, we got what we need. And default toolchain. So let's just run Rust up normally. So default host triple x86 unknown Linux GNU. That's okay. Default toolchain stable. Profile default. Modify root variables. Yes, this is okay. Let's go with complete. So all we're gonna do is go -h again, and we're gonna go and -- profile complete. Yeah, of course, I forgot something. Yeah, not here. Here. Yes. And there we go. This is what we need. And I'm gonna do it in a very special way. The exact same way I did it before. For the special snowflakes that are Rush.js and Golang. So here we go. First we're gonna do download our shrasta.rs here. Then we're gonna just name it because we're cool people. We're gonna do curl instead of forget. And we're gonna do this rust.sh, and that's it. That's all we're gonna do. Now here we're gonna do run, or no, copy dash from equals install /install rust.sh to /install rust.sh and run dot bash /install rust.sh dash profile complete -yes, and that's all we're gonna do. Whole shebang. We're gonna modify path env, and we're gonna modify it. Oh, this puts it in home. Not a pain in the ass. Great. CD. Echo. Yep. We're gonna change that a bit, if we can. quiet, yes. No, you can't. Great. So we're gonna do a bit of there. So that should go around. That should go to run cp /root /cargo to /user local cargo, and then an environment variable should be we're gonna go env path equals this. We're gonna go /user local cargo bin colon path, I believe it is. Yeah, I believe that's it. Perfect. Now we'll commit this. Commit, because that's how I write my commit messages. Now we're gonna the shell command run a build.sh, and we're gonna do cd ubuntu based cdc the cpp podman run build dot dash d devenv colon cpp c dot cd dot cd .net podman build dot dash d devenv colon .net dot. And now we're just gonna do this, because why would I do that anyway? I do Golang JS Python and Rust, and now we just do this, and of course this and this. If you give guys in chat any question, comment, suggestion, let me know in the chat later on the site. And in the meantime, I'm gonna check Discord. Now all we're gonna do is we're gonna do this. I'm gonna go here, exit this, and git clone https://github, and that we're gonna do that. And we have that. So devenv images and bash build stage. And we're building. Now we're gonna have fun time watching builds happen until it breaks. So in normal video parlance, I would say video editing magicking later, but now we're gonna just shut up and watch. Because this is like watching paint dry, and we have our first bug. I forgot to do a yes. Good job, me. Which one? Let's go back and build's happening again. Yay! So much caching. Excitement. Ah. Oh. Yeah. That makes sense. And again, build do. And I'm gonna turn off the camera for a second. I'm gonna grab a drink. And so I'm gonna also turn off my microphone so you don't hear me drink. Fish not found. Yet, first time it ran, it was found. How do I know? We can go back. Oh. Also fish not found. Crab. Crud. I guess. And apt install fish, although I probably should standardize it. And I think I'm going to later on. This should be an essential package for me in all my environments because I want it there. Not here. Yeah. Rippling and rebuilding. Let's go. The main part is right now it's doing caching. Normally it wouldn't. Because I don't like caching. an easy and cheap trick to get it working faster. It's waiting here. Okay. Yeah, I forgot git pull, and I forgot a single R here, and I guess not here, but this doesn't need an R, so boom. And because our newest build is there, all I need to do is do this, and guess what happens? It pulls automatically. Nice. All built. All built. Really good job, me. So this training has been running for an hour and 21 minutes. Now, so I'm gonna end here. One day I'm gonna go and make a stream of just building everything, every Docker image I have ever made that is what I want to publicly build. That will be a fun stream. People will probably love it. It's like, it's better version of what's that? What is that? The better version of Fireplace or watching paint dry. It's watching code build on a really fast CPU. Just a stream of that. Nothing else. No commentary, no music, just stream of code building. That would be a fun thing to do. I bet people would love it. I bet people would rave so much about it that nobody would watch it. But I'm gonna do that because I'm a creator. Ooh, ah. And because I don't have anything better to do. So at this point, see, there is no additional commentary in chat. So get your words in, or I'm gonna go play games. I'm gonna wait here a bit. See if. Oof. You guys say something in chat. Otherwise, I'm gonna go play games. Let's give it till 55 minutes. That's now. And let's just go with. Okay, I think that's all I have to say. And I guess all you have to say. So guys, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and all that YouTube jazz. And yeah, subscribe, really do subscribe. I really want those 1,000 subscribers. And this would probably help. Every subscriber helps, especially if it's an additional subscriber. I'm right now at what, 300 something? 329. I would really love if I could get to 1,000. It would help a lot for me potentially one day being monetized YouTuber. I should probably also make some shorts. By that I mean YouTube shorts, because that apparently also helps out a lot in the algorithm. I'm just not that into the short content, and I don't know what to even make. I might just do thank you guys for watching. Like literally this thing. Actually, we can make it right now. Whew. I'm gonna start recording. Like this. Record. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to click the subscribe, like, and comment buttons and type some comment. And I'll see you in the next video. Oh, forgot to do the important part for video creation. Sorry, this is the background of video creation you don't see. Let's try it again. The important part. Thank you guys for once again. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to press that like button, that subscribe button, and comment over there as well. And I'll see you in the next short. I don't like that. Let's try something different, a bit different. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this YouTube short, click the like button here, subscribe button here, and comment over there as well. And I'll see you next time. Goodbye. I didn't like that either. Let's try third one. Thank you guys for watching this short. Click the subscribe button down below or like button there. And I'll see you next time. Well, this one I didn't like it either. So let's try something else. Thank you guys for watching. Click the subscribe button down below or a like button there. Preferably both. And don't forget to comment on the side there. I'll see you next time. I didn't like this either. Thank you guys for watching. Please clip the subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching. Click the subscribe button down below. Well, nah. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, like button, and write a comment. And I'll see you next time. Now this one is better, and I'm probably gonna make a short out of it. And then another short I always wanted to make is the thinking short. This is this one. But forgot to do action. Action. Yeah, I was thinking for a bit. Don't know about what, but I was thinking. What else could I make for a short that would be so on brand that it's horrible because it's horrible since it's a brand? I don't know. Building code, that could be its own shorts. Yeah, I'm horrible at that. So yeah, and I guess you heard the things you need to say and do. Click the subscribe button, click the like button, and comment down below. Thank you guys, and I'll see you in the next stream, probably this week, when I'm gonna actually be doing some programming and more interaction with chat. That is that. See ya. And by that I do mean nobody there. Like right now.